Hello everyone. Here the question is find the number of ways of permitting the letters of the word picture. So here all vowels come together, and the second condition is no two vowels come together. No two vowels come together. All vowels come together. No two vowels come together. So here for this question, find the number of ways of permitting the letters of the word picture. So here I am writing the word picture has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Picture has 7 letters. 7 letters. In that how many vowels are there? I, U, E. Vowels are 3. What are those 3 in the sense? I, U, E. Vowels are 3. And next remaining consonants. Consonants, how many are there? 3 in the sense P, C, T, R. Consonants are 4. Those are what? P, C, T, R. Consonants are 4. So here he is asking all the vowels together. First condition number 1. All the vowels are together. This is first condition. So for this one, consider 3 vowels is equal to 1 unit. 3 vowels is equal to 1 unit we are taking. And consonants how many? 4. So next 4 consonants plus 1 unit is equals to 5 entries. Can be written or can be done in 5 factorial into 1 unit factorial ways. So here answer is nothing but 5 factorial into 1 unit. 1 unit in the sense already here we have taken 1 unit is 3 vowels. 1 unit is 3 vowels. So final answer is 5 factorial into 3 factorial ways. And coming to the second answer. So here in the question is that no two vowels is together. No two vowels. No two vowels come together. No two vowels come together. So in this case, we need to take our first we arrange 4 consonants in 4 factorial ways. There we can find there we can find 5 gaps. Now we can arrange three vowels in 5 gaps. Is 5p 3 ways. Therefore, the total number of arrangements is equals to 4 factorial into 5p 3 ways. 4 factorial into 5p 3 ways. This is the answer. Okay. Now go for next question. Right. The question is this one. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 Indians and 4 Americans and 3 Russians at a round table. Okay, so that all Indians sit together. And condition is persons of same nationality sit together. Right. So here coming to here 2021, this topic is deleted. Okay. Now I am skipping this question. Right. Next. This question is also deleted. Arranging the red roses. Garland. This model is deleted. Now next question. Round table, circular table. This is also deleted. Yes, this question is there. So here the question is here like this. Find the number of ways of selecting a cricket team of 11 players, 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers, so that at least 5 bowlers in the team. Condition is here what? At least 5 bowlers in the team. 5 bowlers in the team. Right? So here I am taking first question. First bit number 1. Okay, in that we need to draw the table. First here cricketing, batsmen and bowlers. So here I am taking first batsmen, next bowlers, next to team. So here total batsmen are how many? Here we have 7 batsmen we have and 6 bowlers we have, and the total team is of 11 players. Okay now. So now this is the given data. Right. Now coming to the answer. First here in the question is there from 7 batsmen at least 5 bowlers in the team. Condition is there at least 5 bowlers, in the sense we need to take here 5 bowlers. If you take here bowlers 5, to get a team of 11 members, we need to choose batsmen 6. So 6 plus 5 goes to 11. So total we have 7 batsmen. Out of 7 we are taking 6. So here I am writing this is 7C 6 ways into here total 6 bowlers are there. Out of 6 bowlers here I am taking 5 bowlers. So this one I am writing 6C5. 6C5. That is first option. And second option is we can take 6 bowlers at a time. If you take 6 bowlers, here batsmen goes to 5. So total batsmen are 7. We are taking 5. that one I am writing it as 7C5S into 6 bowlers are there. We are taking 6 bowlers. So that is nothing but 6C6. Therefore, total is equals to answer 7C6 into 6C5 plus 7C5 into 6C6. So this is the answer for first question. And what is the second condition? Second question is like this. Here, find the number of ways of selecting a team of same thing 11 members and 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers. Here there is a chance of given by 2 wicket keepers, so that team contains 2 wicket keepers minimum, at least 2 wicket keepers and 4 bowlers in the team, right? So here coming to the question number 2. Right. So here